This is Mission Control Houston. Just to recap, the hatch closed on the Soyuz TMA-20 at 1:45 p.m. Central Time. We have been awaiting a playback of the farewell and the hatch closure that was recorded on board by the remaining expedition crew members, Station Commander Andrei Borisenko, Alexander Samokhutyaev, and Ron Garin. And here is that video. You can see that is Alexander Samokhutyaev. In the blue shirt, that is Dmitry Kondratyev, the Soyuz commander. You can see the hatchway, the actual hatch itself, and the docking probe to the Soyuz TMA-20. Cady, Coleman in the red shirt as they said farewell to Borisenko, Samokhutyaev, and Ron Garin. Again, this video was captured about 25 minutes ago at the time of the hatch closure. Kondratyev using a wipe to make sure that there is no foreign object debris around the hatch seal. In the field of view in the yellow shirt, Paolo Nespoli, who is the center of attention today as the photographer and videographer, who will be in the upper portion of the Soyuz TMA-20 in the orbital module, basically the same area that you're seeing now, to capture unprecedented imagery, if it all goes as planned, of the International Space Station and the shuttle Endeavour as the station executes a 129-degree maneuver over the course of about 15 minutes to provide the photography that we've been long awaiting. Now you see the hatch swing shut. The forward docking probe as Kondratyev waved a final goodbye to Samokhutyaev, Borisenko, and Garin.
Так, хорошо, значит, мы начали вот этот отсчет, да, проверяем герметичность люка. Дим, значит, вы пока можете...
The countdown is in progress for the leak check, and you can use this half an hour to prepare for undock.
And as we pass out of range, or about to pass out of range of the tracking and data relay satellite system, just a few final seconds, a glimpse of video that was shot at the time of hatch closure. There it was, the closing of the hatch at 1:45 p.m. Central Time today.